Have you been crying in silence? Have you been wondering why your prayers seem unanswered? If your heart feels tired today, listen carefully. This message is for you. My child, I have seen every tear you have cried when no one else was around. I have heard every prayer you whispered in the middle of the night. Nothing about your pain has escaped my eyes. Even when you felt forgotten, I was still holding you close. Do not believe the lie that I have abandoned you. I have never left your side. I have been working in places you cannot see, arranging moments you cannot yet understand. What feels like a delay to you is often my preparation for something greater. You have asked me, Lord, when will things change? I want you to know that your waiting has not been meaningless. Every difficult day has been shaping your faith. Every challenge has been preparing your heart for the blessing that is coming. Stop crying as if your story is over. It is not over. I am the author of your life, and I always finish what I begin. The chapter you are in right now is not the final chapter. There is hope beyond this moment. The miracle you have been praying for may be closer than you think. Just because you cannot see it does not mean I am not working. Seeds grow beneath the soil long before anyone sees the harvest. In the same way, I am preparing blessings that will appear at the perfect time. Do not give up because of what you see today. Trust me for what I am doing tomorrow. Keep praying. Keep believing. Keep walking by faith, even when your emotions tell you to quit. I am faithful, and I never break my promises. Hold on to my peace instead of your fear. Let my promises become louder than your doubts. I am still writing your testimony, and what is coming will remind you that I was with you through every step. Your miracle is closer than you think. As you listen to my voice today, let your heart rest in my presence. You do not have to carry every burden alone. Give your worries to me. Lay your fears at my feet. I am strong enough to hold what has been weighing you down. There will be moments when nothing around you seems to change. Do not let those moments convince you that I am silent. My silence is never my absence. I am working behind the scenes, opening doors that no one can shut and making a way where there seems to be no way. Remember the times I have already brought you through impossible situations. I was faithful then, and I am still faithful now. My love for you has not changed. My promises have not expired. My power has not become weaker. So wipe away your tears and lift up your eyes. Hope again. Believe again. Pray again. The answer may be closer than you think, and the breakthrough you have been waiting for could arrive when you least expect it. Do not let fear steal your peace. Do not let disappointment steal your faith. Keep trusting me one day at a time. Every step you take in faith brings you closer to what I have prepared for you. My beloved child, I know the desires of your heart. I know the dreams you have carried for so long. If you continue to trust me, you will see that I have been leading you all along. My timing is perfect, and my plans for you are always filled with hope. Today, choose faith over fear. Choose hope over despair. Choose to believe that I am still writing a beautiful story with your life. Your tears will not last forever. Joy is coming. Peace is coming. Strength is coming. And when your miracle arrives, you will understand why I asked you to keep trusting me. If this message spoke to your heart, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement today, and subscribe for more messages of hope and faith. May God's peace fill your heart, and may His blessings guide you today and always. Amen.